Using articles should be easy because there are only three articles, the, a, and an. Yet they cause so much trouble. In this tutorial, I will identify the rules for using these three simple words. First, remember that articles are a type of adjective and therefore modify nouns. Let me explain. When I say a car, I'm referring to cars in general, no car in particular. However, when I say the car, I'm referring to a particular car. Before I refer to the car, I must have told my reader which car I'm referring to, your car, sports car, or the neighbor's red car, etc. First, let me explain what is meant by count and no-count noun. Try counting sugar or salt. Where do you start and finish counting them? It's impossible. That's why some common nouns are called no-count nouns. They cannot be counted. They're considered to be plural nouns because they're made up of countless number of pieces. Therefore, they do not require an article. Words in this category include gold, silver, nickel, iron, money, sugar, flour, salt, water, oil. Back to articles. There are two kinds of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite article. The word the is the only definite article. It is used to modify both singular and plural count nouns, specific nouns that can be counted, such as car, cars, book, books, apple, apples. The following rules can apply. It can help you decide when you use the. Rule 1. Use the definite article the to refer to one singular specific object or thing. The cars in the garage. The definite article the indicates a specific car is in a specific garage. The dog is in the backyard. The definite article the indicates a specific dog in a specific yard. Rule 2. It is optional to use the definite article the to refer to more than one specific object or thing. The cars are in the garage. The definite article the indicates specific cars in specific garages. Dogs run in the park. The definite article is not required with the plural noun dogs, but is required with the singular noun park. Indefinite articles. A and an are the only indefinite articles. They're used with nouns when no specific object is specified. The indefinite article is used to modify only singular nouns. Rule 3. Use the indefinite article a or an with singular count nouns. Mary eats a banana every day. The indefinite article a is required because no specific banana is referenced. Mary ate the last banana we had. The definite article the is required because a specific banana is referenced, the last banana. Mary eats an apple after school. The indefinite article an is required because no specific apple is referenced. Rule 4 also applies. Rule 4. The indefinite article an is used instead of the indefinite article a whenever the noun that follows begins with the vowel. Mary eats an apple after school. The indefinite article an is required because the noun apple begins with a vowel. Rule 5. No count nouns are considered as plurals. No article is needed unless reference is made to a specific item. See Rule 6. John eats fruit every day. No article is required with a plural noun, fruit. Sugar is used in every kitchen. No article is required because sugar is a no-count noun. Rule 6. The indefinite article the is used with no-count nouns when referring to a specific item. The sugar is in the cupboard. The definite article the is used to refer to specific sugar. The garbage was removed from the building site. The definite article the is used to refer to specific garage. Rule 7. The article is always placed before the noun it modifies and before adjectives that modify the noun. Betty brought a red apple to school. The indefinite article a comes before the adjective red and the noun apple. People eat the outer skin of grapes. The definite article the comes before the adjective outer and the noun skin. Rule 8. In a series of sentences, the indefinite article used in the first sentence becomes a definite article in the sentence that follows because the general object becomes a specific object. I have a new book. I put the book on the kitchen table so Mother would see it. I have the indefinite article a is used in the first sentence because no particular book is mentioned. In the second sentence, the definite article the is used to indicate the particular book identified in the preceding sentence. That's all. Thanks for listening. Try the following activities to find out how well you understand how to use articles. After you've watched this tutorial, go to sponsorvillage.ca for assignments on articles. Go to Grammar in the top navigation bar and click on Articles. To send any questions you may have about grammar, go to sponsorvillage.ca and click on Ask Dr. Otto. I will reply to your questions as quickly as possible.